Hi guys, in my last video you saw me fix the stereo in our car. But then we found out the speaker had blown. So now I've got these Blam component speakers that I'm going to be fitting into the door today.
You're watching Family Flyouts does DIY.
Here's our woofer. It's much better quality than the one that we have in the Mercedes right now. And the first thing that I'm going to do is solder some wires onto it. So first thing we're going to do is strip the wire. So I'm going to be using my silver one as negative, and I'm just going to bend the tip a bit and then I'm going to feed it through this hole. Now I'm going to solder the joint. Now I'm going to do the same with the positive. That's nice and tight. Now I'll do the same with the rear speaker. Now the soldering's done, it's time to put the adapter rings on. And now we screw the adapter in. We're all done indoors, let's go take the old speakers out. First thing we're going to do is use a T15 screwdriver to undo these 3 screws. Next, we're going to take out this. Make sure we wind down the window. Now we have to remove this grommet. Then using a T30 screwdriver, undo the screw in here. I was not. Oh no, I was. Using some trim removers, we just have to prise off the door card. Last thing we need to do is take this off, and if we get our nails behind it, we can just pull it off. Superman. Now we should be able to just lift it off. We should be able to lift it off, but we can't. To give us more slack, we'll unplug this wire and this wire. Using a T20 screwdriver, we just have to unscrew these 3 and pull that clip out. Now the same for the front. You can see how much better quality this is. The cone's better, this one, the magnet's bigger, and this one's also a lot heavier. Now we just have to screw it back on. Now I'm going to cut the Mercedes connector off. Strip the wires. We checked on the wiring program and we've got a green wire and a green and brown wire. The one with the brown stripe is always negative and the one with just one colour is always positive. So now all we have to do is wire in our crossover because they're component speakers. I'm so strong. So now we can take the crossover to the door and leave the tweeter hanging over. Again, you can see such a difference between the size of the magnet and the actual speaker itself. So now I'm screwing these in. And again, chop the connector. The one with the two stripes is negative. Little man. And connect them up. And as they always say, refit is the reversal of removal. Door cards all fitted, just have to put the tweeter in and test it. So now we're all done, let's see how it sounds.